Hello Cloudnet members. Today we're going to have a brief tutorial on some of the basic user functions on your Astra 6757 voice phone. Let's start at the top of your LCD screen. You have a total of 12 programmable keys. 6 of those keys are found on your home page of your LCD, 3 on the left and 3 on the right. You may have availability of accessing a second page of LCD by selecting the More soft key, where you will navigate to your second page of your LCD. These keys may be programmed as one-touch BLF keys. BLF stands for Busy Lamp Field, meaning that if programmed and labeled with a coworker name and extension number, you may simply press the key to call that employee. These buttons are all programmed and configured as monitored extensions using the user web portal, which is covered in another video series. The center area of your LCD screen will display your phone number. Coworkers may simply dial the last 4 digits of your phone number from their Astra device to call you. External parties must dial the entire telephone number. Also, a date and time is available. The bottom 6 keys are known as state-based soft keys, meaning that you'll see different functions for the keys depending upon what action you're performing on your phone at a given moment. In this demo, we have 3 common keys programmed while your phone is in an idle state. They are a voicemail key used to access your voicemail. This key is programmed to dial *98, which is the access code the system recognizes to take you to your mailbox, where you'll be prompted to enter your security code. All new messages will light the LED at the top right corner of your phone. A caller's key, which is simply a call history key. This key will hold 100 records before it begins to overwrite the records. After pressing the caller's key to begin the process, you'll use your up and down navigation key to scroll through the record history. You may then use your state-based soft keys to select dial, edit number, details to see the call timer of the call, the delete key to delete it, or copy key to copy to your contacts. Press the quit soft key to exit. And finally, we have a DND, a do not disturb key. When depressed and lit, all of your calls will be routed to your mailbox, which lights the LED at the top right-hand corner of your phone when a new message is present. Below and to the left, we have a vertical row of fixed buttons. They are a goodbye key. This key ends an active call, or when your phone is ringing, it will send the caller directly to your mailbox. The options key is a programming key. When pressed, you'll be prompted within the LCD screen to enter your passcode, which was given to you by your Cloudnet technician. The hold key to put your caller on hold. To re-access a held call, simply press the flashing line key. The redial key to redial your last telephone number. And lastly, we have the volume keys. These volume keys will adjust 3 volume settings. Lift your handset to adjust the handset volume. Press the speaker key and then use the volume keys to adjust the speaker volume. And then to adjust your ringtone, leave the handset in the cradle and use these keys to increase or decrease your ring volume. To the right side of your dial pad, you have 4 line keys, a speaker headset key, and a mute key to mute your end of the conversation to your callers. So that was a quick overview of the device and the keys, so let's transition into some call functions. Let's start with an easy one, such as placing a call. Like a cell phone, you'll find it best practice to pre-dial the number and then press the dial soft key that appears in your LCD, which functions much like the send button on your cell phone. Remember to press the goodbye key to hang up. So let's place a call so we can see an outbound call being made for demonstration purposes, and let's place that call on hold and then return to the caller. So you will pre-dial your telephone number, press a line or speaker key, or dial soft key.
Thank you for calling customer service. Maria speaking.
When the calling party answers, press the hold key. To re-access the held call, simply press the flashing line key. Now to hang up, remember the goodbye key? You must use this key to hang up whether on a handset or speaker key. Next, let's learn how to transfer a call, and we will do a soft announce to the receiving party, meaning that we will be asking the receiving party if they'd like to accept the call. So let's establish a call by dialing a number. We will press the dial soft key and wait for an answer. So, we've now established a caller on the line to start the transfer process. You will press the transfer soft key. We will then dial a party that we'd like to transfer the call to. So we dial an extension and we will wait for that coworker to answer.
Thank you for calling customer service. Maria speaking.
To complete the transfer, you may press the transfer soft key to exit the conversation and complete. Or to cancel the transfer, you may use your up and down navigation key to move the LCD cursor beside one of the two-party numbers showing in your LCD screen, and then you may press the drop soft key to drop either party and to return to one of your parties. Next, let's build a three-way conference call. 3 parties are the maximum number of members that you may conference together, yourself and 2 other parties, internal or external. So let's establish a call first.
Thank you for calling customer service. Maria speaking. How may I assist you?
Hi Maria, we are going to build a conference call. Do you have time to join us?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Now, as you're speaking to your first party, you will press your conference soft key. You will dial your second telephone number and press the dial soft key. Once your second party has answered, you may press the conference soft key. You and your 2 parties are now connected. No conference tone is heard by either parties. You may just begin speaking. You'll notice 2 new soft keys that appear during a conference call. They are a drop soft key and a leave soft key. If you press the leave soft key, you will be dropped from the conference and your 2 parties may continue. Or if you wish to force a party out and drop one of your conference members, you'll use your up and down navigation button to move the LCD cursor next to one of the 2-party phone numbers showing in your screen, and then select the drop soft key. Lastly, let's talk about the difference between holding a call and parking a call. If you make or receive a call on your device, you may always press the hold key to place the call on hold at your extension. But you also have the ability to park a call. If you park a call, a coworker may walk to any Astra device on your network and access the call that you parked. If the parked party is left parked for too long, the default park timer is 60 seconds, then the call will re-ring or return to your extension and if no answer, they will drop into your mailbox. So here are your parking procedures. While speaking to your caller, you'll press the transfer soft key, dial the feature code for parking, which is *45, and press the dial soft key. You must listen to the park orbit that the system will announce to you, and then to complete, press the goodbye key. To retrieve a parked call from another device, you will lift the handset, dial the park retrieve feature code of *48, followed by the park orbit number that was announced in the original parking process. So let's demonstrate a call parking procedure. Let's first establish a call. Now that we have a caller on the line, you will press the transfer soft key, dial the park feature code of *45, the dial key.
Your call will be parked on orbit 101. Please complete the transfer now. Your call will be parked on
Press
orbit.
the goodbye key. Now, to retrieve a parked call, you will dial *48, followed by the orbit number that was announced, and press the dial soft key. We're now reconnected to that caller. To hang up, you press your goodbye key. So this concludes the user tutorial on your Astra 6757 device, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful today. And from all of us here at Cloudnet, enjoy using your Astra phone. Thank you.